here at TRE4x4 Africa.
These are the two lockers and the air pump that's going in Optimus. This is part of our next journey in the build, and we'll be taking out the old diffs, I believe, and replacing them with these ones. So we'll just go through quickly and just check the boxes here, what's in there and how they look. Okay, there's the air compressor, onboard air supply, and this basically locks both the diffs. We've gone for both the front and the back diff. It made sense to do so. And we're also going to be connecting them separately, so basically you can activate the front or the back depending on which one you need in whatever circumstance independently. So that is the pump. So let's see if we can get a better look over here. Okay, I'll open the box and then I'll give you a look. I'll be right back. Okay, so the contents are the 12-volt air compressor, complete wiring loom with air locking differential, solenoid, plug-in contacts, and as you can see on the screen, I don't need to read everything to you, but this is the first opening of this package. And wow, that pump looks nice. Looks so neat. So this is going to sit in the front area, and it's going to have its own independent power supply, I believe. And this will supply air to the diffs so that they can lock. There's also the switches, the solenoids, and the wiring loom in here. So I don't want to unpack it because I don't want to lose anything. The guys are going to be working on it. Next we'll open the diffs. Okay, so this is one of the lockers. I see I opened the box upside down, so I'll just turn this over and I'll be right back and we'll see what's in there. Okay, and that is the box with the diff in it. And it's the TRE4x4 Air. I believe that's the one for the Suzuki Jimny, and I believe that's the one that's going to work in the Gen 4 3-door. Open the box for the first time. Let's see what comes in here without losing anything. Okay, you can see you got two nice stickers, but the 4x4 Productions booklet, got the warranty policy, and I believe in this box, oh no, some more buttons and some more parts. It's very important. As I play around with these, I'm going to make sure that I don't lose any of them. Last but not least, we've got TRE4x4 diff that's going to be going in, and the pipes. This is so awesome, it looks so cool, and it's a bit heavy, but it looks amazing. We're not going to open it, I'm going to leave that to the technicians, but it looks good. Looks amazing. Okay, and we're just going to put those buttons back. Warranty back. 4x4 Productions. It's a nice booklet. It's a nice different options that you can get. These are the shocks we've got in Optimus currently, and the ones that you saw us testing in Limpopo. Okay, where is Suzuki? We also make bumpers. Different models, different cars. We make all these things, very quality parts, and that's about it. Okay, so that is it for that box, and we're just going to close it and put it back in its original box. Put that back in there, as we did the air pump, air compressor. Okay, and this is the second box. And we'll just do what we did basically with the first one. Try to do this without removing it out of this box. Pretty much comes with the same things, the stickers, the booklet, the warranty. First box should be the switch. And the copper pipe. Parts. It's the part where they drill into the Diff and it actually goes in and the air passes through there. And another part. And last but not least, once again, if I can get it out of there, we've got the last Diff. And the red and the black pipes. Once again, it looks really nice. Really well packaged, feels good. Feels strong. And yeah. So that's the full unboxing of the TRE4x4 front and back lockers. We'll be back at a later stage with another video showing you how this car performs with the lockers, and it's going to be awesome. I've already had such a nice time with the shocks that we used in Limpopo, so I'm confident this is going to be a good addition to the vehicle. Having the front and the rear lockers working independently, so you don't have to first press the front or the back locker on before you activate the front. You can just directly activate it. I'm so excited, and I'm looking forward to this addition to Optimus. You will see the full or clips of the install sometime along this week or next week, and yeah, it's going to be good. So looking forward to that. And it is locked back in place. So that's a wrap for this video. Thank you for watching. We'll be back again with another update when we install these parts on the actual car, and we'll go off-road and do a test. It'll be so awesome.